I'd just like to add a few extra tips for the consumer. When I showed you how to do that, I did it as a dentist. One of the easier ways for you to achieve a thin layer inside of the denture is to follow the booklet where you see the 3 lines. After you put the 3 lines in there, then you can smooth it out to ensure that you have a thin layer. Remember, it's buildable. So the thin layer is there for the first step, and if the denture is not tight, you could build onto another layer, making sure the denture is dry at that time. Also, you want to make sure that it goes over the border. Remember I showed you where the border is? If it goes over the border, you want to leave it like that. His denture was tight enough at the border, but don't think there's anything wrong if the material goes over the border. So follow the booklet. I'm assuming that everyone is a dentist, which you're not. So the booklet has excellent instructions. Remember, it's silicone. It's easy to use and it's buildable. So do it thinly at first, and if you need more, then do it again. All right, any more questions? Reach out to customer service or me. I'm here for your help.